How do I replace the console cover on my GE dishwasher? The console cover is WD-34 by 22,262. The right edge of the old cover popped loose and I found a broken plastic toggle. I ordered a new part, received it and can't get the new part to snap on. There seems to be some special technique to get it to snap on.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I am Appliance Guru, an extremely experienced tech on the site, and I try to get to as many customers as I can. I just picked up your question now. Note it takes time for me to type research and add links, so please wait for me to respond back. I can only do this so fast. What is the complete model number off the machine?
GE dishwasher model No. GDT550 HSD1SS. Part No. WD-34 by 22,262 console CVR Graphic ASM.
There is no special technique to snap it in, you just need to line up the tabs and press it in. They do press in rather hard though, so you have to use a bit of force to get them to snap in place. All I ask is please use the star rating link at the top of your page before leaving. That is the only way I am paid. Anything through the site. Tips are greatly appreciated, so thank you very much for using this service. If you have any other questions, just post back to me here anytime.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.